Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here today. We have an exciting countdown lined up for you, showcasing the best-selling fillers, adhesives, and sealants products on Amazon. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just someone looking to tackle a home improvement project, you're in the right place. These top-rated products have been carefully selected based on their popularity, customer reviews, and overall performance. So without further ado, let's dive into the countdown and discover the must-have items for your toolkit. Let's get started. Introducing the 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive, 18.1 ounces. This powerhouse is the epitome of strength and reliability, perfect for those demanding automotive projects. Imagine this, a product with exceptional strength, designed to bond heavyweight automotive fabrics to metal surfaces seamlessly. Yes, you heard that right. Whether it's headliners, carpet, foam, or even plastic, this versatile formula has got you covered. Why settle for anything less than the best? The 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive ensures your headliners stay firmly in place. No more sagging, no more worries. The aerosol canister dispenses a controlled, even layer, making application a breeze. It's quick, it's easy, and most importantly, it's effective. Now let's talk specifics. This adhesive is specifically recommended for automotive headliners in vehicles. The formula dries in just 30 to 60 minutes, giving you enough time to ensure everything is perfectly in place. Think of it as the ultimate solution for your automotive adhesive needs. Robust, versatile, and efficient, the 3M Headliner and Fabric Adhesive is the go-to choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Don't let subpar adhesives hold you back. Choose 3M and experience the difference in quality and performance. Next on our countdown at number 4, we have the Permatex 81158 Black Silicone Adhesive Sealant, a product that truly stands out in its class. This 3 ounces tube is packed with a professional grade formula that's sensor safe and incredibly versatile. Imagine having one product that can seal, bond, repair, mend, and secure a multitude of materials. Yes, that's right. Whether it's glass, metal, plastics, fabric, vinyl, weather stripping, or even vinyl tops, this black RTV silicone sealant can handle it all with ease. What makes Permatex 81158 truly remarkable is its ability to resist the elements. It's waterproof and flexible, ensuring a durable seal that withstands water, weather, and vibration. Picture this, your project's enduring the harshest conditions without a hitch. That's the power of Permatex. The temperature range of this multi-purpose formula is another game changer. From a chilling minus 75 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it covers an extensive range, making it suitable for various applications. Think about door frames, electrical connections, seams and roofs, vinyl tops, weather stripping, housings, and coverings. The possibilities are endless. However, remember, it's not recommended for engine gasket applications. With Permatex 81158, you have a reliable partner for all your sealing and bonding needs. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this black silicone adhesive sealant is a must-have in your toolkit. Robust, versatile, and dependable, it's the perfect solution for ensuring your project stands the test of time. At number 3 in our countdown, we have the JB Weld 8267 Steel Stick Steel Reinforced Epoxy Putty Stick. This remarkable product is a true game changer in the world of fillers, adhesives, and sealants. Imagine a hand-mixable 2-part epoxy putty stick that's steel reinforced and non-rusting, designed to quickly repair or rebuild anything made of metal. Yes, you heard that right. From iron to stainless steel, copper to brass, aluminum to bronze, and even fiberglass and PVC, Steel Stick can handle it all. Let's talk about the magic behind the JB Weld Steel Stick. Certified by the NSF, it's safe for contact with potable water, making it incredibly versatile. Once you knead the 2-part formula together by hand, it takes just 5 minutes to set and cures in a mere hour. The result, a dark gray, rock-solid repair that's ready for action. But that's not all. Steel Stick boasts a lap shear strength of 900 psi, meaning it's built to endure. It withstands continuous temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius, and can handle intermittent temperatures of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Plus, it's chemical resistant against petroleum, hydraulic fluids, and other harsh chemicals when fully cured. Imagine the possibilities. Mold it, shape it, sand it, drill it, and even tap it. Steel Stick can do it all. For anyone working with metal or looking for a robust, reliable repair solution, the JB Weld 8267 Steel Stick is an absolute must-have. Its versatility, strength, and ease of use make it a standout choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Choose Steel Stick and experience the ultimate in metal repair solutions. Are you sticking with us through the countdown of the best-selling fillers, adhesives, and sealants on Amazon? If so, don't get stuck. Be sure to seal the deal by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a bond-worthy update. Holding the number 2 spot in our countdown is the Permatex 82180 Ultra Black Maximum Oil Resistance RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. This product is a testament to innovation and reliability, setting a new standard for high flex and oil-resistant applications. Imagine a non-corrosive formula that's sensor-safe, designed specifically for superior adhesion to oily surfaces. Yes, that's right. Ultra Black is your go-to solution for creating strong, long-lasting seals. What makes this product truly exceptional? It's all about superior resistance. Ultra Black can withstand powertrain fluids, including engine oil, transmission fluid, gear lube, and coolants. This ensures your application remains locked in place, creating a seal that's both strong and durable. Now, let's talk flexibility. The Ultra Black Silicone Gasket Maker retains high flexibility and oil-resistant properties, making it perfect for replacing pre-cut gaskets or being used as a gasket maker or sealant. It's versatile and reliable, adapting to your needs with ease. Durability is another standout feature. Ultra Black resists aging, weathering, and thermal cycling without hardening, shrinking, or cracking. Picture this: a temperature range of minus 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 54 degrees Celsius to 260 degrees Celsius. Intermittent. That's right, it's built to endure extreme conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Suggested applications include valve covers and valve guides, oil pans, transmission pans, intake manifold end seals, timing gear covers, and differential covers. The possibilities are vast, making it an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Choose Permatex 82180 Ultra Black for unmatched oil resistance and flexibility. It's not just a gasket maker, it's a guarantee of reliability and performance, ensuring your projects withstand the test of time and conditions. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 in our countdown of best-selling fillers, adhesives, and sealants on Amazon, we present the Loctite Threadlocker Blue 242 nut bolt locker. This small but mighty product at just 0.20 FLOs packs a powerful punch in securing your projects with absolute confidence. Let's dive into the magic of Loctite Threadlocker Blue 242. This medium-strength thread locker is designed to lock and seal threaded fasteners that require disassembly. Imagine this: nuts and bolts that stay put yet can be easily removed with just hand tools when needed. No more struggling with stubborn fasteners. Simply apply and you're set. What sets this thread locker apart is its advanced formula. It effectively prevents the loosening of metal fasteners caused by vibrations. Picture your projects remaining solid and secure, even under the most challenging conditions. It's the ultimate safeguard for your work. But that's not all. The protective design of Loctite Threadlocker Blue 242 goes beyond just securing fasteners. It also protects threads from rusting and corroding. Think about it: enhanced durability and longevity for your nuts and bolts, ensuring they remain in prime condition over time. Whether you're working on automotive, heavy machinery, or even household projects, this thread locker is an indispensable tool in your arsenal. Its versatility and reliability make it the top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Choose Loctite Threadlocker Blue 242 for unbeatable performance in securing your fasteners. It's not just a product, it's peace of mind in a bottle, ensuring your projects stay intact, durable, and ready to withstand the test of time and vibration. Secure, protect, and conquer with Loctite. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling fillers, adhesives, and sealants on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top-rated products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.